If your vehicle's start-stop warning light turns on, it means the system that automatically shuts off the engine at stops has detected a problem. This feature relies heavily on battery health, charging performance, and proper sensor data. In most cases, the warning isn't a major failure but a signal that something needs attention, especially related to voltage or driving conditions. Important steps. 1. Check your battery voltage with the engine off. It should read around 12.4 volts or higher. 2. Inspect battery terminals for corrosion and clean any white or powdery buildup. 3. Consider your recent driving habits. Short trips can prevent the battery from fully charging. 4. Perform a soft reset by turning the vehicle off, waiting 5 minutes, then driving above 25 miles per hour for about 10 minutes. 5. If needed, disconnect the negative battery terminal for 15 minutes to reset the system. 6. If the warning persists, scan the vehicle with an OBD2 tool to check for voltage or system fault codes.